Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a rewards program with US Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To create a rewards program with US Bank, start by visiting the US Bank website. Navigate to the rewards program section by using the main menu. Review the different rewards options available to determine which best fits your needs. Choose whether you want a credit card with rewards or a checking account that offers cashback. Click on the option that interests you to read more details. Review the terms and conditions associated with the rewards program. Make sure you meet any eligibility requirements stated. If you decide to proceed, click on the Apply Now button. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Provide your financial details as requested, including income and existing bank accounts. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate. Submit your application and wait for confirmation from US Bank. Once approved, you will receive your card or account details in the mail. Activate your card or account by following the instructions provided. Log into your online banking account to access and manage your rewards program. Explore the rewards dashboard to familiarize yourself with how points or cashback are calculated. Learn about any bonus offers or promotional events that may enhance your rewards. Regularly check your rewards balance and transaction history. Take advantage of special offers by using your rewards on eligible purchases. Review how to redeem your points or cashback through the website or mobile app. Stay informed about any updates to the rewards program from US Bank. Utilize your rewards thoughtfully to maximize benefits based on your spending habits. Enjoy the perks of your newly created rewards program with US Bank. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.